Hi everybody, I'm Jesse.
I'm Joey, and we are the parents of the JMJ Kids, and welcome to It's Time Couple Power. And look, tingnan niyo ang aming view. We're
Yep.
here in Mountain Province. Bago pa dumilim, ang ganda nung, makita kaya nila yan?
Hindi.
Ayun, ayun, ang gano'ng kaganda.
Tina.
That one looks so pretty.
Maya na.
Sayang, hindi masyadong makita yung ganda ng bundok.
Kasi nag-ano.
Ayan. So, our topic for today, it's been a while ha. Anong topic? Oh, favorite topic niya.
Okay. Porn and parenting.
Porn.
How do we talk to our kids about
Yeah. So, let's talk about porn. As if naman may alam ako dyan. Okay. Why do we need to talk about it? Kasi, everyone...
No, actually it's all over the internet online. So kahit sa mga advertisement,
Yeah.
andun lahat.
I think I
It will
remember we
just-
already talked about it with our children before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's
Why do
good
we need to
also
talk about it?
to do reminding of them.
Kasi makikita at makikita nila yan. Malalaman at malalaman nila yan. So, just like how we how we raised our children from lahat ng mga values nila, mga issues, social issues like abortion, divorce, lahat yan. We, as homeschoolers, we always believe na tayong parents ang una dapat magturo sa kanila, or at least, pag narinig nila sa iba yan, tayo yung magbibigay sa kanila ng explanation. Okay? Kasi syempre, pag una nilang narinig yan from their friends or ibang tao, tapos yung opinion or...
Tsaka yung values nila
Yeah.
ng mga
Ng ibang
kaibigan
tao.
nila is iba sa atin,
Yes.
di ba? So
So,
syempre
we need
iba
to-
yung pagka-interpret nila, pagka-explain nila.
Okay, so tayong parents ang
That's
magsasabi
mauna.
niyan. Kasi tayo, ako especially me, isang anak lang, solong anak, di naman yan tinuro sa akin ng mama ko. And parang it's a taboo topic. We never talked about it. Pero it needs to be talked about and explained to us. Kasi ako, personally guys, siguro mga 40 na ako o 50 na ako nung yung, when I have watched that, yung mga porn na ganyan. Parang hindi naman, parang fake. It's so fake.
Fake
So
naman
parang,
talaga.
'di ba? And the thing is, that's what I wanted to tell my kids na hey, don't believe what you see. Yung mga porn sites na yan, they're showing na parang women enjoy iba-ibang positions. Oh my gosh, parang, and I remember when we were, yung the first time we did it, before, parang hindi pa na-consummate agad, no? Anong right away. Parang how many nights muna, because it's not really, hindi talaga siya enjoyable. No, at first. So, at saka masakit. So, hindi siya totoo na yung parang yung mga napapanood natin sa movies na parang first time mo, tapos enjoy agad.
Ay, syempre, sa porn naman, hindi ganun. Kasi nga, hindi nila
Ay,
naman
nako.
first time.
It's so fake.
Kaya
Movies
nga,
are
but
fake.
the
Kaya
thing
nga,
is, bakit
that's
it's a
why.
multi-billion company?
Yes,
Ibig sabihin,
okay.
ang dami talagang nagpapatronize nun.
Yes.
That's a problem. So,
Okay.
ang goal ngayon is how to explain to our kids na
Yan.
that's
So,
not a
why
good
is it
thing.
important to
And,
talk to kids
yeah.
about it? Kasi nga, we want them to know na yung nakikita nila o nababasa nila, it's fake. Hindi yan yung in real life.
Saka contrary
Hindi siya
to the
ganon.
values that you've been raised.
Yeah. So, syempre, number one, sex should happen within the confines of marriage.
Saka
So,
sacred.
yeah, and it's
yung
sacred. And it's not just,
sex.
sure that there's pleasure, but that's really not the focus. Although that's part of it. Pero kasi yung binebenta ng, ng media or yung mga porn sites na yan is the pleasure, the act.
Mhm.
So, hindi yan yung, yung purpose ng sex.
Mhm.
So, we want to tell our children that, actually, sinabi namin yan sa kanila na, of course, diba, we have boys and na uso na yun. And you don't parang, it's so taboo talaga yung mga ganyan topic like yung masturbation. Ano pong sinabi natin sa mga kids natin nun? Basta parang sinabi natin na your body sacred,
Yeah.
it's a temple of the Holy Spirit. Parang you don't feel guilty about it, and then parang yung body mo,
Tsaka
you are
yung mga,
respecting.
yeah, tsaka yung mga ano, what are the steps, practical steps you should do pag, siyempre,
When
we are
you think
humans
about it.
We're
Yeah.
humans, sometimes we
Yeah, it's
are
part of
subject to
our
that, yeah.
biology.
Yeah, it's part. So now, ganun na. What are the steps? Practical steps they
We
should do.
tell them na, syempre, it happens when your mind is idle.
Yeah.
You're not doing anything, and then the devil talks to you, and then you can just do it. So you have to always be busy.
And then when you're tempted, you have to pray.
Yes.
You have to distract yourself with constructive things.
Tsaka be
Like
physical.
hobby.
I mean,
Exactly.
like, yeah, sports,
May
or
hobby ka.
parang do something about it. Kasi yun nga yung parang your body needs to release the tension, the sexual tension.
Yeah.
And you can do that by doing something physical.
Yeah, you channel it to something productive.
Yes.
Na, usually yan, ano yan, physical. O kaya yung ano, yung sila, artistic sila. So sa drawing, di ba?
Yes.
Talagang nakafocus sila. Dapat focus doon yung sexual energy should be focused on something or directed to something that you can focus on, parang hobby nga, or sports, di ba? Para yung mind
I
mo is not
remember
idle.
nung mga kids sila, parang may mga times itong mga boys natin, parang napag-awayan or something kasi, I don't know, isa sa mga kids natin, the younger ones, nakita yung isa or something. Basta parang ganun. And then,
Yeah, the good thing is we have to explain
they
it
had
to
to
them.
tell
Tsaka
us.
maganda nga open.
Oo.
Yeah, open tayo.
And then, ano yung ginawa natin? I think, for a time, tinanggal natin yung phone. No, kasi andyan siya eh. It's really a
Curious sila eh.
temptation.
Tsaka,
And once they've seen it, they get more curious about it. So, mas maganda na lang. Actually, I offered, one time, I think we offered na, let's all watch porn. So that we could explain to them, ito yung act na to, certain act na, it's not real. Ako sinabi ko sa kanila, hindi totoo yan. Totoo, parang nakangiti pa siya, parang very happy pa siya na, it's not like that. It's not in real life, no? So I really wanted them to, especially our girls, no? Si ate at the time, na to think na hindi siya ganun talaga. And men should respect you as a woman na hindi parang,
not the object of your pleasure.
yes.
So, yeah.
Pero feeling ko lang, parang nanood ako ng porn, no? Yung mga yan, parang, ano talaga, the women are parang just used.
Well, syempre naman. What
So, walang mawawala sa lalaki. Sa atin nang meron eh. Parang the dignity, yung parang respect mo sa sarili mo, nawala. Yung self-preservation nawala pag ginaganon ka. I mean, the way, I don't know ha, even the 50 Shades of Grey, yung mga ganun, kala mo, it's love, but it's not. How can a person loves you and hit you and hurt you? So, I don't know, siguro talagang medyo ignorante lang tayo mga Pilipino because it's not in our culture. Pero yung mga ganyan, yung may mga master, may servant, subservient, mga ganong terms na talagang at my age. So, nagugulat pa rin ako ng mga ganon. Pero you know what? Maganda pa rin na as tayo mga parents na we know something about it. Hindi yung parang kang ignorante na you cannot even talk to your children about it. Kasi there was one time, I remember kami ni JJ, nag-uusap kami, parang ang dami niyang terms, so mas may alam pa siya kaysa sa akin. Kasi these kids are, parang they read. And then sometimes the books that they read, may mga ganun ng mga terms and hindi natin, nalalaman unless they say it. Buti na lang yung mga kids natin, they're very open about it to us. Although I'm sure hindi lahat sinasabi sa atin, but yung mga times na nagsasabi sila, makakagulat ka na lang na ang dami nilang alam na you don't even know. Because number one, hindi natin talaga culture yan. Tabu talaga yan, topic na yan. And number two, we don't even try. Siguro dapat yung generation natin will try to know something about it. Lalo na tayong mga Pinoy. Kasi masyadong tayo napapag-iwanan. And it's not that the knowledge will somehow help in us teaching our children and not for us to parang be ignorant about this stuff. Talaga, minsan parang ignorante ka masyado kung walang alam. Hindi mo alam kung paano tuturuan yung mga kids. And how can we protect them if we don't know? Nakakagulat na lang sa atin, but they would come across these terms, these images, and then, how would you explain it to your kids? Mag-explain pa sa kanila mga kaibigan nila, or kung sino man yung nasa internet, naka-chat nila, right? So that's the reason why we want this out in the open. So if there are parents out there na who have discussed this with their children, let us know. Baka makakuha rin kami ng tips sa inyo. Because our kids right now, they're already young adults. 19, 20, 22. And yung si Kuya 24, si Jamie 14. So, and our kids talaga parang sa dami na ng mga books and then yung mga images at random biglang mag-a-appear. Kahit yung ako yung phone ko may mga advertisements. Even if you try to close it, close ka lang ng close, nandyan siya yung mga advertisements ng box drama, box mga ganyan. Tapos, syempre yung mga, even yung anime. O, diba?
Yeah. Oo
There
naman.
was one time, I saw, anong tawag doon sa mousepad? Tapos may boobs. Tapos yung mga posters ni Kuya dati nakuha niya mga free. Pinagalitan namin siya doon. Sabi namin, number one, yung mga, we don't patronize yung mga ganyang images because they are they are someone else's sister, mother, wife, aunt, diba? And they're being used to, for this billion-dollar industry. They're being used. Kawawa yung babae kasi parang we're seen as sex objects lang. Ganon lang lagi. So, when you patronize yung mga porn sites, you're patronizing this, you're supporting these organizations na don't respect women.
Tsaka, kung if you have the values, pag you come across yung mga porn na yun, mga porn site o porn, parang i-disregard mo na eh. Parang hindi mo, you're no longer be curious about it. Diba? Parang iwasan mo na lang. Or hindi mo na lang, anong tawag doon? Hindi mo na lang papanoorin or i-share.
Kaya lang minsan, curious nga sila eh. So, how do you
Ayun na nga, di ba?
prevent them from doing that? So, I guess siguro, depende sa age, no? From yung mga bata pa, 5 to 8 years old, we need to talk or discuss to them about their body, yung ito, katawan natin, yung safety, precautions, how, yung touch, if it's with malice, or if they feel off
Yeah.
about,
Usually yung sinasabi
anyone,
natin,
kahit nakamag-anak ha, if
yeah,
they
di ba
feel,
sinasabi natin
basta
yun sa mga
minsan
babae?
gut feel yan na
Yeah.
parang, sometimes, diba, it's okay for you to like kiss a kuya, pero if there's if you feel something off,
Yeah.
then you have to, just know
Yeah.
na parang, it's
Learn
not
to say no
yeah.
or resist or get away.
So
Parang
that we
ganun.
need to teach them that. Pag mga 9 to 12 years old, ayun na yung online safety kasi they're already online, they're ready. Tsaka yung mga inappropriate content, peer pressure, just if they're being curious about something, or yung mga images. Like si Jamie, matanong eh.
Yeah.
Matanong sa amin, yung bunso namin na 14 years old. Sobrang matanong yan. So, and that's good. So you have to like really open up about these things. Very important talaga yung presence ng parents in the lives of our children.
Tsaka aware kayo kung saan
Asan sila,
anong
yes.
binabasa ng mga anak nyo, anong group sila.
Yeah.
Usually importante kung anong group din sila eh. May influence din yung mga groups. Anong mga movies, anong mga hobby nila.
And yeah, even and I remember before si ate, nung nagko-commute sila pa school, and then si ate parang nagsumbong siya na there were guys na nag-whistle sa kanya. Kasi syempre, develop na yung katawan ng ate. Nag-whistle, tapos parang, nung kinukwento niya yun, si JJ biglang nagalit. Kasi parang, I wish I was there, para nasuntok niya kung sino man. Sabi ko, but you don't know. Kasi talagang, people are like that. So, you just have to know kapag sumobra na, no? Pag kaya niyong laban, parang i-defend yung sarili ninyo. Or, kaya Kaya dapat lagi lang may alalay, no?
Kasama
May
palagi.
kasama palagi.
As much as
Especially
possible.
yung mga girls kaya that's why I want my girls na to know Krav Maga or any self-defense kasi yun yung takot natin kasi talagang tayong mga babae, even if you think that you're strong, stronger pa rin talaga mga boys. And with what's on the internet, alam mo yun, parang rampant yung mga ganyan na masama yung pag-iisip ng mga yan. So about teenagers naman, ito na yung healthy relationships, if they're already into relationships, yung respect, at saka yung self-control, tama ba yun? At saka yung yun na nga naiisip nila they want to have sex, dapat that's only in the confines of marriage, hindi premarital. So ano yung mga common questions? What is porn? Ito yung mga pictures and videos of private body parts or sexual activities made for adults. Pag sinabi natin yan sa mga kids natin na once you're bothered by a certain image, kausapin nyo lang kami. And dapat tayong parents ang mauunang lalapitan ng mga anak kaysa yung ibang. Parang dati meron binanggit sa akin si JJ na term. Hindi ko man lang ma-explain sa kanya. Siya pa nag-explain sa akin. Mommy, you don't know. Minsan hindi nakikinig yung mga kids sa atin kasi parang wala nga akong alam. Oh my gosh, mom, you're so parang you're so ignorant. Parang ganun. Parang wala akong pwedeng maituro sa kanya. Mas marunong pa siya. But, ayan, that's our kids. Minsan, mas marunong nga sila sa atin. Pero I think, very important na lang na yung values, no?
Oo, naman. So kahit if you are grounded with your values, so kahit
kahit siguro anong mangyari dyan
you are bombarded with the images ng mga ganun, you have the power to resist. And meron kang common sense to
say no.
To say no.
Or do what's right.
Yeah.
So why do people watch it? Pag tinanong.
Alin?
Yung porn. Kasi curious. Number one, pag sa mga kids, yun, ako curious sila and sometimes siguro they feel, kasi you'd feel that in your body the body heat. Ano yan sometimes it really comes, it's part of our biology. So, sa mag-asawa, okay yan. Pero pag single, what do they do about it? They masturbate, they do stuff. Yeah. Meron na ba tayong time na they have been watching or parang wala naman?
Wala naman.
Siyempre, hindi nila papakita sa atin. But,
no, pero
we have talked to them about it. Na, again, sabi namin, you are just supporting these organizations na kumikita ng ganyan.
You're being
Kasi,
used.
di ba yung mga human trafficking na nangyayari, yung mga nakikidnap na babae, bata, that's what they do. They use them for this, pornography, or being sex slaves, prostitution. So sabi ko, if you're watching that, you're supporting the crime, the organized crime. So at least man lang siguro doon ma-realize nila na mali siya. Mali to support that, mali to even watch that. Tapos pag ang sinabi na, well, everyone watches it. Well, not everyone, right? And just because everyone doesn't mean that you have to also. Yeah. Basta sa amin, lagi lang kami, since kami naman mag-asawa and we're very, yung PDA, tayong dalawa.
Yeah, we're sweet.
We're
we
very
are expressive of our...
Very expressive in front of our children. But then we always tell them, kasi we're married. And you should be glad that we are like
kiss,
that.
we hold hands, we embrace.
Because if you see your parents kissing, you see your parents being sweet to each other, then be glad because that's what they should be doing. Diba? They should be sweet to each
That's
other.
normal with
and not to
married
other
people.
Diba? Otherwise, nako, pag wala na sila, mamaya, nag-divorce na lang yung parents sila because it's part of the relationship. Yung intimacy, that is a big part of a successful relationship. If you're not intimate with your partner, paano na? Kung tumanda na kayo, iiwan na nga kayo. Ngayon nga, hindi pa kami iniiwan. Parang tumanda lang sila. Hindi pa kami talaga iniiwan. Wala pa silang mga kanya-kanyang mga pamilya. And yet, eto na, we're left on our own, mostly. So, paano na kapag in the future, parang if we're not intimate with each other, tagal pa, no? If we're just like in our 50s and mabubuhay pa until 80s, 30 more years, what will you do as a husband and wife? Magtitigan, mag-away. Diba? So it's very important that we maintain the intimacy between husband and wife. And then, pag nakikita yan ng kids, we always tell them na, kasi we're married. And this is how it should be. You know, yung ganitong klase ng closeness between husband and wife. Okay lang yan. There's nothing wrong with that. Pero kapag girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang, hindi pa pwede. So if you want, then you get a license to be more sweet with each other, then get married. So, if you have questions, guys, you just let us know. Kasi kahit kami rin, syempre, hindi naman kami perfect, no? Hindi naman lahat talaga madidiscuss natin. There are topics also that it's really, you know,
tsaka hindi naman
iiwasan
natin talagang supervise yung mga anak natin 24/7, right?
Yeah.
So talagang ang bet namin talaga is sa kanila is nung bata pa sila is we mold them with their values. When yung our family values, parang yun na lang ang aming assurance na they will know what to do. Pag they will be confronted with these kinds, they will know what to do and they will choose the right thing.
At saka another thing is, di ba we are pro-lifers and we're saying na mostly yung mga abortions that happen, they happen because they were not married yet. Kasi pag nangyari yung accidental pregnancy, but it is within the confines of marriage, hindi iisipin ng mag-asawa na magpa-abort. They will never think of that. Kasi part yan yung accidental pregnancy. Like in our case, ang planned pregnancies lang namin were JJ and JM. All the rest, accidental pregnancies. And we never thought na, ay, hindi pa tayo ready or parang magastos or kapapanganak mo pa lang. No, you don't think na ipabot mo na natin. Hindi, just because na magastos mo, all those excuses or reasons, wala lahat yan kasi nga you're married. Yeah. So, para lang iwasan yung abortion, then don't get pregnant outside of marriage. Kasi pag if it's outside of marriage, wala pa talagang responsibility, lalo na usually sa mga lalaki, no? Talagang tatakbuhan nila yan because they feel like it's a big responsibility to be a dad. And don't be like that.
Kasi it is a rampant issue and problem in our society. Tapos ito nga naging madali dahil sa internet, online, di ba? Dati, di ba, yung mga ito sa
anime na lang.
Yeah.
Yung mga
actually
anime
lahat na lang
nila.
they're trying to inject this pornography in everything.
Lahat.
Sa mga movies, sa
pati
mga
yung being
anime.
woke.
Yeah.
No, it's not just about
Lahat
girls
na.
and boys. It's women and women, boys and boys.
It's become perversion na ngayon.
Yes, I know. Parang, even yung mga commercial natin ngayon, Pinoy tayo ito culture natin, hindi naman tayo yan. And yet we are adapting.
Yeah. Kaya nga that we have to be very aware.
The only thing talaga is for parents.
Tsaka ito nga, habang bata pa sila, you have to mold their values. Hindi yung tsaka matanda na lang sama mo, tsaka ninyo inilalabas or sinisermonan sila about these things. Wala, matigas na ulo ng mga. Or baka nagkamali na sila. So, kumbaga, prevention is better than cure.
So number one, yung mga kids natin, hindi rin naman laging welcome sa kanila when we have topics like this na dinidiscuss. Parang, oh my gosh, ayaw namin yan. But, we have to insist. Maganda nung magkakasama pa kami dito. Madali lang, patawag lang sit down, everyone sit down and let's have a family meeting. Mabilis lang. Right now, hindi na It's so hard for us to, pero I still do. We still do dun sa, during our video calls. We try to, no? Pero, yun na nga, ang sinasabi, when they're older, you cannot control them anymore.
Yeah.
All you do is just coach, guide,
and pray, and hope na yung lahat yung mga sinermon mo noong bata pa sila is stuck with your mind and their heart. So, naman siguro. I trust our kids. They are intelligent, they are
sabagay, wala pa naman sa kanila nag-iisip ng mga crush or girlfriend, boyfriend. Parang they're so, pa rin, mga baby pa din. And that's good, in a way.
Tsaka si ate, do you remember? Yung si ate yung galit na galit sa mga lalaki na walang lakad-lakad, tapos yung asawa, yung tulak-tulak stroller, tapos ako
Yeah.
yung
May masyadong mataas
so
ang
alam mo na,
standards, which is good.
yeah, alam mo na, okay, ate has a standard.
Yeah.
So, ganun.
Ang standard ikaw nga eh. So I think maganda rin na ipakita natin sa kanila what should be
Yeah.
yung couple.
Tama. Sinasabi mo na we are showing how husband and wife should be. Sweet, loving, caring, lovey-dovey, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So hopefully, mga kids natin
We are the
eh,
role model, so hopefully
tayo
na.
yung role models and hopefully hindi sila kasi talaga nakakatakot lang no yung society natin and what they watch, what they read kahit na minsan gusto mo sige read lang eh pero minsan may mga terms na ano ba yan anime ito tapos may mga there was one program na sige na nga panoorin na natin because they want tapos it's about girl and girl Jesus ko talaga. Hindi, again, nothing against them. Pero, of course, if you're wanting your children to grow, na parang, basta, meron kang, set standard for your children. Sa amin lang yun. Kasi nung bata ako, welcome naman yung girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. There's nothing wrong with that. Kinalakihan natin yan. Medyo, ngayon lang kasi, OA yung mga bakla. No? Parang wala na yung mga baklang normal. OA masyado. Parang kailangan pa talagang makiki-CR sa atin. Gusto tawagin ma'am. Kahit mukhang sir. Diba? Parang masyadong OA. Tapos gusto yung mga pride na yan. Trans women daw sila. Ano ba? Parang okay na yung girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. Marami tayong mga friends na tomboys and bakla. And they're okay. Pero ngayon, iba na kasi eh. And then, of course, when you talk to your kids about this, minsan sila very accepting yung generation nila ha.
Takot eh.
No, it's not takot.
Pero
Pero
takot to offend. Tingnan mo si Jamie, di ba? Pag nag-ano kami, pag nagsasabi ka, ay, Dad, you don't say that. Parang takot na, di ba?
Hindi naman takot, pero siguro parang ayaw lang nila na...
Exactly, takot lang silang mag-offend ng tao. Kaya very aware sila sa mga words nila, actions nila. Kaya ayaw nila.
Kami pa yung papagalitan na hey, don't say that.
Kaya
Tapos
nga.
parang they're defending yun.
Tapos pag yung yun na nga, yung mga yon may gustong paggawa sa kanila, gagawin nila kasi nga just to give
or they'll just stay quiet.
Yeah. So, mahirap na talaga yung generation.
Yung generation nila medyo
generation na masyadong kaya nga di ba palagi kong inano si Jamie. No, I'm not like that. Your generation is weak. No.
Yeah. Kawawang generation ito eh. Kaya talagang dapat merong nanay or tatay na will show them na you have to be strong. You have to know where you stand and you have to be convicted about what you believe in. Kasi pag wala, eventually, na mangyayari sa panahon din na
take overs na sila ng mga tuso.
Yeah, I know, right? Isang buwan na pride na I mean, I'm okay with that. Pero kawawa na yung mga bata. Naagaw na yung rainbow. Again, nothing against them ha. I know I have friends and na bading at tomboy. But they're very professional and di ipaglalaban na babae sila. Just alam naman nila na bakla sila. So never magiging babae ang bakla. Never talaga. Huwag nang ipaglaban yan. Okay na yung okay, peace tayo. You say you're bakla and you like men, that's fine. Pero huwag mo na ipaglaban na magiging babae ka pa ever. Kasi parang kaka-insulto sa course, women, no? Yeah. Ibang-iba yung experience ng women sa mga bakla na gusto lang maging women. You can dress up if you want. Mas sexy kayo, mas maganda kayo. It's fine. Pero wag nang yung mga you're encroaching on the rights of women. Wag na yung mga ganun. And of course, safety na rin ng mga bata, no? Na papasok kayo sa...
Yeah, kasi may mga take advantage eh. Yes. Mga loko-loko, mga sira-ulo.
Yes, hindi naman sila lahat ganun.
Pero meron at
just
meron.
because you're fighting for that, some people who are evil will take advantage of that fact na, oh, see, I can go over women's washroom and, look at girls kasi I'm also a girl, something like that. So, mali din naman yun. So, I hope na lahat tayo, we're just here to think about each other's safety, especially ang mga children natin. O again, yan na nga, porn ang topic and it's a taboo topic, but we're just telling you na as homeschoolers, sana may mga katulad namin parents na like this din, no? Yung mga group na ganito na we talk about it and then we share on how, pag halimbawa nahuli mo yung anak mo nag-masturbate, how do you explain that? How do you discuss that? Something like that.
Yeah, how do you turn it into learning
Kasi number one, mapapahiya sila.
a chance to
And they feel
a
they
chance
would
to
feel
make them
guilty. So parang naging masama na when in fact nabasa ko one of the books that I have read na it's part of us. You feel it, sometimes you have to release it. And one way to release it is to masturbate, no? So, and ang nangyayari is parang we feel guilty about it. So parang we feel like it's dirty, something dirty when it's not. It's not dirty. It's just that there are ways for you to express it or release it. And yun, mga healthy ways. We need to find out ano yun. We explain it to our children na there's nothing wrong with you. It's part of our biology. Sometimes you really feel that, but what do we do so that you don't feel you're filthy or something dirty? Because it's not. I think sex is sex is good.
It's a sacred thing.
Sex is good actually.
Yun nga lang kasi na
It has to
na-abuse
yeah,
it is
it has
being abused.
to be has to be done talaga sa right partner mo and not just with anyone. Okay? Yeah, we just wanted our kids to know na eto kaming mga parents, no, we're also learning kasi kung yung parents natin they did not discuss this with us, tayo we're trying to change it, be better parents and discuss these things with them kasi mas maganda na marinig muna sa atin ano yung stand natin and then siguro later on in their life ma-remember nila yung teaching natin, no, at mag-guide sila. Alright, thank you once again and see you again next time on another episode of It's Time
Couple Power. Ngayon naman na pang sasakyan na to.
Ay, pero look, sayang sana maganda yung camera ko para nakikita ninyo yung view talaga. Ang ganda-ganda. Look! So beautiful. Huh? Mapangit yung camera ng laptop.
Siyempre, ano lang yan eh. Hindi naman talaga.
Hindi na masyado makita yung view natin. Ganda-ganda pa naman.
Kinakagat na ako ng naman.
Look, I love the mountain. Ganda talaga dito. Mahina lang yung internet but it's so beautiful here in Mountain Province. We are just 30 minutes away from Sagada. So nakita niyo yung mga bus, yun yung mga papuntang Bontoc. Madadaanan niya yung Sagada. Doon, oh my gosh, look. Yung malayo doon, nakita nyo. Ganda ng pagka-green. I don't know kung nakikita nyo yan. But look. So beautiful.